Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a NordVPN account for free. So let's get started. First, you need to download NordVPN. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Navigate to the download section and choose the version for your device. In this case, since we are setting up on a PC, click on Download App for Windows. Once the file is downloaded, open it to begin the installation. Follow the prompts on the screen. You may be asked if you want to install the NordVPN browser extension. This is optional, but you can choose to install it if you want. After selecting your preferences, click Install. The installation process will take less than a minute. Once installed, launch the NordVPN application. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. If not, you'll need to sign up. After logging in, the application will ask you to confirm by opening your browser. Once confirmed, you'll be redirected back to the NordVPN app. When the app opens for the first time, it will display the settings page. Here you will see options such as Auto Connect and the Kill Switch. The Auto Connect option allows NordVPN to connect automatically whenever you are online. You can leave this off if you prefer to connect manually. The kill switch ensures that your internet connection is cut off if the VPN connection drops, preventing any data leaks. This is a useful feature for privacy, but it can be turned off if you don't need it. You will also see an option for threat protection. This feature blocks ads, trackers, and malicious websites. It's a helpful addition, so you may want to keep it enabled. You can skip the option for NordPass and NordLocker unless you are interested in additional tools for password management and secure file storage. Once you've gone through these options, you'll reach the main interface of the app. The interface includes a world map, where you can select the server you want to connect to. After connecting, your IP address will change to the server location to confirm. You can use any online IP address checker like what is myapaddress.com. It will display the new IP address corresponding to the server you selected. NordVPN is also great for accessing region-specific content. For example, if a streaming platform like Netflix has content unavailable in your location, you can connect to a server in a country where that content is available. One of the features I personally like is the meshnet. If you install NordVPN on multiple devices, you can link them using meshnet. This allows you to securely share files between your devices or with friends over the NordVPN network. For example, you can transfer files from your PC to your phone without using cables. Just enable meshnet from the app, and you're ready to share files quickly and securely. NordVPN is also excellent for activities like torrenting and ensuring your privacy on public Wi-Fi. It has one of the fastest speeds thanks to the NordLynx protocol, which is based on WireGuard technology. This makes NordVPN one of the best performing VPNs on the market. If you ever experience issues such as being stuck on the logging screen, simply close and reopen the application. Most of the time, this resolves the problem. That's it. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.